What's going on, y'all? So check it out, dude. Yesterday was Friday, today's Saturday. Happy Saturday, everybody. You know how I like to get down. So today, man, I'm gonna be out and about. Gotta do my mom's birthday party, this, that, and the other. But yesterday, man, on Friday, so I put out two short videos, man, a part one and a part two about the exhaust leak. And that didn't go as planned, man, because everybody watched the second part after the truck ran and the truck wasn't ticking anymore, and not many people watched the first part. So today, or this morning, we're gonna do the first start once again, but we're gonna run it all the way through. This is gonna be the longer version. So let me fire this thing up. Right now, I've been out here checking the fluids in the truck, making sure everything's good. Now I gotta shut the hood or the remote start won't work. So let me get the hood shut, get my keys, we'll fire this bad boy up. Okay, man, we got that hood closed. I got these keys, man, let's get it. Now that right there, that is not a lifter tick, that is an exhaust leak. I mean, listen to it. Don't mind the rattle, that's something else. So man, that's what's up. Let me get in this truck real quick, man. I gotta turn this key on to pop this hood open and keep the truck running. Keys on, pop this hood. So look, man, the truck, that's the first start of the morning, and it's already going away, right? I mean, that's it, it warms up that quick. It'll go away, you can still hear it on this side. Now, it's only ran for a minute. And I know that sounds like a lifter tick, so watch this. So if you can't tell, man, it's already starting to go away. So we're gonna take this thing for a quick spin right here around the apartments real quick, man. We're just gonna drive around the parking lot. We're gonna come back, we're gonna pop the hood. And then you're gonna hear that that sound is completely gone, because you can still hear it right now. Listen whenever I hit the gas. See, you can still hear it. Now, by the time I go around this parking lot, which will take probably a minute, it'll go away. Look, it's going away now. I'll ride close to these garages so we can get the echo. See how it's completely gone? Now, I'm gonna get the truck back, dude. We've been running a minute already and that's it. So I'm gonna get the truck back, I'm gonna get it backed in, and then we'll pop the hood and we'll go from there. So we're back, man. The truck's been running literally 3 minutes. We're gonna pop this hood and we're gonna listen to it again. Let's roll out here, let's get this hood popped open. Now listen. That's the driver's side. And the passenger side. So if you go out to your car, your truck, you start it up, you have that tick, but it sounds kind of like a versus a tick, 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 tick. It sounds like it's kind of shushing you. That's probably an exhaust leak, man. So altogether, this video is taking about 5 minutes to make from first start up to right now. One little short drive, might have been a quarter mile around this parking lot. I took you for the ride to show you that the sound may persist until that manifold warms up enough to expand and re-meet or remate with that exhaust gasket. And once that happens, man, you'll be good to go. The sound will stop. Now, something to note is that if you kill your car say you kill it for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you come out, the tick starts again. Guess what? That's still the same exhaust leak, man. That manifold will cool down that quick and open that gap back up that quick, or anywhere on your exhaust. So I hope this helps a couple guys out. And if it does, that's what's up. That's the purpose of everything, man. So with all that, keep living the dream, doing your thing. That's what an exhaust leak sounds like. That's the way it'll act. That's what you gotta do to determine if it's an exhaust leak or a lifter tick. And with all that, dude, I'm rolling out.